Life away.
Did you kill
Why
him?
did I put?
No, shoot him. Oh, you bad.
Hey Ben, you've never killed me. I've got 0 deaths with you, Ben.
I'm gonna kill you next round.
Ben, I've got like a 5 KD with you.
So I have
got like a 5
I'm gonna
KD
kill.
with you.
You're gonna get killed so hard.
I've got like a 5 KD with you.
I have a 27 KD.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You have a 0. Fuck. You
Okay, well, you can't even prove that. Shut up. Shut up.
Leave us up. Go bystander. I'm also.
Why would he feel offended?
I was lied to. By oh, that was easy. Where was the gunshot? In the basement?
My best
Hey,
bystander friend got
lying there? Or like dead?
I'm my own friend. What's up, man?
Alpha.
Yeah? Sorry, I ran away. I don't know why I did. I don't know why I did that either. I just threw him out. That was really mean. That was so mean. I'm so sorry. Your shell is sexy. Have you ever put your? Have you ever put your? Have you ever? I called my mouse. I called my mouse sexy, and then I put it in my. I put it in my mouth. If I put your mouse in your mouth, it's actually really weird.
No.
It depends what mouse you have. If you have like a, like I've got quite a small mouse, so you can put it in your mouth.
Great. That's really great.
What the hell am I doing? What the hell am I doing?
What is wrong with you?
In the time you took to reload, I could have killed you if I was the murderer. So I'm going to.
It's...
Hey, who's existing around
I just
here?
like scaring people.
I have a
Anyone want some grog? Anyone want some grog?
Stop trying to chase me, murderer.
I
want
gave
some
you a free
grog?
computer. Look at that.
Hello, one
I
hamburger.
want some grog, my brother. Want some grog? Want some grog, brother?
I got aim, Arthur.
I can't. Who was that? Who was the like green guy? Who was the? Arthur.
Step back. Step
Or
back.
Miko. Hey, no, we have bigger goods. I want you to look at the guy with.
Step. Step. Wait, hang on a second.
Wait a minute.
Did you not see?
Cabbage.
He was just standing on
Cabbage.
him.
Wait, it's Yellow Charlie. It's.
You got the gun, you idiot.
Christ, that was loud.
No, I don't have the gun. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
I'm a little hamburger.
Cheeseburger.
Give me a
Yes,
fucking cheeseburger, you whore.
Cheeseburger.
The Skittles are renamed Tittles.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cheeseburger.
Look, furry.
Oh, I see.
I know where you are now. God, I got terrified.
Man with gun, I have to do something.
Breaking
Do
company
you
policy.
want to know a secret?
Yes, I have no idea what's happening. I'm getting paid minimum wage. Please just get the responsibility
Do you
away.
want to know?
Tank-
Do you want to know a secret? Do you want to know a secret?
No, I don't. Please get this man away from me.
No,
Thank you.
you didn't let me tell you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yo, Ben, I think
I
he was the
didn't
murderer.
Cheeseburger.
I didn't get to kill you. I have.
That's person.
The
I'm
vending machine man back again. For the last, you have to pay.
I'm ringing the bell.
Get out.
I'm ringing
Don't make
the
me
bell.
call the police again.
I'm ringing the bell. I'm ringing the bell.
Hello, police. Hello, police.
Hmm.
The police usually have a green shirt and stand on banisters. Hint, hint. Hello, police.
Oh, hi.
Hi,
This is the police. Can
Yeah,
I
hi
help
there.
you?
There's a very intimidating man stealing. He's spinning round in circles. His name is Oscar.
I can't see. Okay, well, no. What? Okay, what color is
It's like,
it? What color
well,
is
there
it?
are like there are 3 people that are blue next to each other. It's the person that's sort of the mid shade of blue.
The mid shade of blue?
Yeah, I'm like light blue, and then there's a person on the other side of the counter that's dark blue, and then this person's sort of in the middle.
Alright. Alright. Alright,
Please,
I see the
yeah,
issue.
please get him away. He's a threat to our business.
I see the issue. Alright. Alright, the police have arrived on the...
Yeah, I think he
is
needs to
this
be
the,
executed,
is this the man in
otherwise.
question, the man right here?
Yeah, that man right there. Yeah. That's
Okay,
him.
excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Okay.
Oops,
So,
I accidentally exited my game.
I've gotten a complaint call from these two, lovely people over here.
Yeah.
That you're being a bit rude and
No.
assaulting the vending machines. So
Oh,
that's
sorry.
illegal.
They never warned me.
On the,
Yeah, I think he
is
needs
this
to be executed.
is this the man in
Otherwise,
question, the man right here?
yeah, that man right there. Yeah. That's
Okay,
him.
excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Okay.
Oops,
So,
I accidentally exited my game.
I've gotten a complaint call from these two lovely people over here.
Yeah.
That you're being a bit rude and
No.
assaulting the vending machines. So
Oh,
that's
sorry.
illegal.
They
in
never warned me. I
this
just
hotel.
kind of I guess I
I've
have to,
warned him
like,
many times, officer.
They're
Okay,
lying.
well I have to
I'll
shoot
back
you
off,
now.
I'll back-
So, oh no.
Thanks.
That's-
Don't worry, I've got the gun.
That's
Uh,
person. Can I tell you?
wait,
Can I
let
tell
me-
you a
let me-
secret?
let me
Can I tell
reload
you
my
a
gun.
Can I tell you a secret?
Only stay in far proxemics from me.
No, come here.
Alright, I'm gonna keep my
Come to the vending machines. I'll stay here. Go to the vending machines.
Okay.
Look in the vending machines. Look.
Is the police still alive? Oh yeah, the police are still alive. I'm looking. That sure was a mighty fine secret.
It's my mic muted.
Hello.
Just 'cause who's
I'm
in
the murderer.
vending
I can't.
machine.
Oh, I shouldn't say that out loud again.
I
I get really excited.
Oh, what's the point in this game? You can't stack cones on top of each other. This game's pointless. There is no point in this game.
Oh, hey.
I put my hands on my head in shame.
Hey, I'm the police. Yes.
That's the only part I can remember. Hey Bravo, look at this, Bravo. Hey Bravo.
Hey Barber.
Hey Bravo, look at this. Where?
Oh my god. Are you thick?
Don't kill me. It's not cool.
No, I have the gun though.
That's very cool. Making
Yankee,
you very uncomfortable.
Yankee Doodle, what are you doing?
Hello, Mom.
I heard that Yankee Doodle went
Oh,
off the
no.
ground and was riding a
Pooping.
pony.
What's pooping?
Enter the room, I dare you. You might die.
No.
I think it'd be epic.
Rumor spread that Yankee Doodle went to a town and he was riding on a pony.
Who? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I was
Oh
gonna
my
say,
god.
Earl Bravo's alive. I see the arms again.
What the hell am I supposed to do in this?
Yes.
Don't worry, I've got a military sheet.
Hold up, I'm kind of confused. I can't really look very much.
That's okay. I've got a military shield.
Hello.
Can't hurt me.
How are
I've
you
got a
doing?
Hi. Hey. You wait there.
Where are you? I was spinning.
Not
little
in
bit
team
off.
chat.
What button's that? Is it
Talk.
you? Nope. Nope.
No,
Nope.
guys, it's. Hello. Does that work?
What classifies as working?
I don't really know. Yes.
Oh, why am I spectating? Oh, it's because someone killed me at the very start of the round. So
Yeah, it
really-
wasn't me.
Oh no, poor you, Henry, you fucking cunt.
There's too many people.
I'm on
Back.
fire.
Hey Ben.
Shut up!
Ben, do you like white and metal rubbish bins?
Go back to the
Garbage
everyone,
bin.
get out of this area. Get out of this area. Go back
I
to
organised your files for you.
Get out of this area right now.
No, I'm
Get
playing
out, get out.
Jenga.
I'm so angry I dropped
That's
my
what I
mouse.
thought.
I lifted it up
Did
in
you
the
say I
air.
was so angry I shot my mouth?
I dropped.
You're not. No, air.
You're wrong, can you stop saying oh?
No.
Banana.
Yankee Doodle went to town eating my mom. And
You're so unfunny. It's
Go off.
Who is the murderer? Me.
me.
I'm just kidding, it's not me, I only have the hands. Hi. Oh! I see an issue.
What the shall play Echo the Dolphin?
What did I pull you, Echo the Dolphin?
The banana, now it is super.
Do you want vodka? Vodka go good with banana. Oh no, my vodka. Vodka beer. Have cup.
Henry,
Yeah.
is this alcohol?
No!
How dare you!
No! It's not! I swear!
You come back here
No!
right now.
No, it's
you-
not alcohol!
Come
No!
back here.
I swear it's not
Come
alcohol!
back here.
No! Plant! Plant! Plant!